read the book, Riveting Oaks. Oaks are one of my favorite trees, pecan trees and oak trees. Strength, power, gentleness, shade, it's all there. Dear Bad Habits, I never resisted when you first showed up. You slowly crept into my life until I couldn't stop, until you built this magnanimous tower. You think you're an indestructible force of power. You became the enemy I've come to love, the holding of my destruction as you evolve. But I have read the word. I've read about the enemy's sword, that the enemy has come for a purpose, to steal, to destroy, to kill, and then depose. The word also spoke about salvation, about fearing the Lord and resisting the enemy's station. So, I'm writing this to you, telling you that I can't take you anymore. Don't know what I liked you for. All you did was wear me out. Now I know what you're all about. You came to me with promise and joy. Now look at all these things you destroyed. Families, lives, bank accounts, you see. You ruined it all with one little tease. Look at the way you make me feel. Then you take it all and want me to steal. Today I resist you. So go hide somewhere far away where I'll never find. Everyone at home doesn't understand how you rip me apart, then lend me a hand. I keep coming back, thinking inside, maybe this time I'll make you my bride. Then I sit and wonder why do you really want me to die? Thousands and thousands come to you hoping and praying you'll help them. Then they fall for your lending hand, only to realize you're nothing but a scam. You promised me heaven and sent me to hell. You ruined my life and then wished me well. Watch me now as I go my way. I'm washing myself of all your pain, so you and your power can just leave me be. I'm taking my life, setting it free. That is Dear Bad Habits.
I can't begin to tell you how I think about me procrastinating as I read these words, and I kind of sort of felt a false sense of embarrassment. And I'm just saying false because I don't want to beat myself up. We're also transitioning, but I'm thinking to myself, God, when you talk to me, it's like that day when you go to church and you go, the pastor was talking to me, whatever you're going through. And such a lovely, gentle way of putting it. Instead of saying forward type of, you better stop doing you and do what you're supposed to do. He just, it's such a poetic way of saying, get your mess together, please. Do what you're supposed to do. Next, we have our second reader from the book, Miss Jasmine Pemberton, and she'll be reading Rising Through the Ashes.
Rising from the ashes. Welcome the wind as it comes, the wind of change as it storms. For beneath the sky, resurrection clashes, and above the sky its lightning flashes. There was always a fresh start that swaddles the passage of a new heart. And underneath the sky is a sun bath that fries ashes through the new path. Immolate, dancing through the ashes, Phoenix youth drawn from the ash marshes. A pure regeneration of suey marrows, narrowly escaping from the last of its sorrows. The heavenly touch of a new beginning, renewed perching of brilliant singing, whites concealed behind gray, sorrow strengths becoming more and more gray. Voices as they stand behind your window, spirits arising with no traces of their shadows, winds blowing life back from behind curtains, into hearts to keep them from pain stains. Increasing distances of feet from the grounds, hailers below giving in their sounds, honoring the end patience of a glorious passage, crossing over victoriously to a new age. Rising from the
Very imaginative.
Captivated just now.
Thank you.